So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to make money with email and Google Form. Simple form like that you can use to make money. Basically, this video is about email marketing for the beginners. So you can collect email for free without spending any money, and you can do email marketing and using affiliate offers, guys. So I'm gonna walk you through entire stuff. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving, and try to upload one video every day, every other day. Also, if you watch the video until the end, that you can win £10 PayPal money. Basically, what you're gonna do, you're gonna visit website like PLR Minds, and you're gonna find this one, free ebook with giveaway rights. So which means you can give away these books for free without, you don't have to sell anything. You have a giveaway rights, you can give away for free. So in this video, I'm going to download this weight loss ebook. After that, what you're gonna do, you click open that, it will take you to this page where you can like their Facebook page or Twitter page, and you can download that ebook for free. And this is the basic description of that ebook. Then after that, what you have to do, you have to go to Google and type Google sign up form, and you have to click this first one called so Google sign up form, and you need to click personal, and it will give a couple of templates that you can modify. So for example, if you open event registration or contact form, whatever, and there's a basic template they're given, but you can modify that. Basically, what you have to do, click open the section that you don't want. For example, the organization, you can click delete, and you can see for the date you can delete that button or either, and you can delete this one. So you can leave the name and email, or if you don't want the email name, you can remove that. Now here, this is the event registration, you can delete this one and go back to your ebook website and copy and paste the title, and basically just copy and paste method, guys. So copy and paste that, and if you click this color button here, customize theme, and you can change the color of the background. Also, you can remove the header and add an image if you want. So it's gonna look like this one. So how to lose weight with the calorie counting in 5 steps, free ebook. And this is the basic description of the ebook. You can get it from here, and you can leave the email address to do that. So when you click here, after you edit that, click send and give this one. So if you have a bulk email, you can send it through that. If you don't worry, you can click this one, is called a link, and copy and paste that link. So you have to copy that, go to bit.ly and shorten that link, and so it's able to share, so look professional, right? So your form going to look like this one. So if you put the email address, for example, let's say let's working or not, and if put that email address and click send, so it's try a random email. And if you do that, and if you go back to your original form and click response, and you can see all the emails that you are collecting. Now what you have to do, you copy and paste this forum URLs, and you're gonna share it on different social media. Like here on Pinterest, you're gonna click simple pin, like get your free ebook on weight loss, and put your link there. Or go to Twitter and share the link, or go to Facebook pages and group, share your link. And when you're able to collect lots of email addresses, so for example 100 email or 200 email, what you have to do, you're going to use either one of free email marketing tools. So these are website articles I put in the description, go and check it out. It's about 11 free email marketing tools. So these tools are paid tools, but you can use the free version, so you can send a couple of emails. I think 1000 emails per month, there's a limit. So if you are beginners, you don't have money, you can do email marketing with them. They provide everything, templates and everything, so you can use to make that. What you have to do now, after you collect these emails, but we have to remember this, when they put the email address, you need to send them a free ebook. There's no automated way to do that. What you have to do, you create an email address and use that email address to send these free ebook to these people, right? So then after that, you have a couple of 100 email addresses. Say that you have 100 email address. Now what you have to do, go to Digistore and find health and fitness related product or books to promote it, because you collected email address that surrounding weight loss, so you can promote health and fitness product. You can promote this one, fat burners, or you can come down, this is the best one, essential keto cookbook, a physical cookbook, free and shipping, only a $4.79, guys. $4.79, you can make that money. By original price is $8.67, so $4 is good. It's a bit good book product to promote. So what you can do, they have, if you click this one called affiliate support page, I think they have email swipe. So you can see there's an email swipe is here. You can download this email swipe here and put your affiliate link and send them to these people, guys. And say 1 or 2 people buy it, then you make 16 bucks or 10 bucks, depends on the product. Then you can do every single day promote different health and fitness products. Alright, so you can do email marketing in this way without spending any money. So what you have to do, you can give away this free ebook using Google Form to collect the emails, and you can create email address to send this free ebook. But you're going to use these free tools to send email marketing offers or affiliate offers, and you're going to make money out of it, guys. So try out today. This is the way I'm trying it out. So without spending any money, I want to try out email marketing. So try out today and let's see if it's working or not, guys. And thanks, guys, for watching the video until the end. If you want to win £10 PayPal money, all you have to do, like this video, share this video, leave a comment, I like this video, or leave a comment that you want me to make a detailed video on email marketing, and I will do that for you guys. Until that, have a good day. See you in next video. And when this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on the next video, guys, so you can win £10 PayPal money.